Hello everyone, my name is Scott Aubrey. I am the owner of Aubrey Law. We are an estate planning law firm and I'm so happy to be here with you today. And today's topic is, can you have more than one will? But before I get to that, if you have any questions about what I talk about today or any questions about estate planning in general, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free, either in person or on the phone. Again, that website is estateplanmeeting.com. You can go there, you'll see my schedule. Pick a time that works best for you, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions you have regarding estate planning. So today's question is, can you have more than one will? And the answer to that question is no. It'd be very difficult to have more than one will, especially if your new will was drafted correctly. So there's usually language in a new will that says it revokes all prior wills. So as long as the will was properly drafted, it should revoke all prior wills, and you really shouldn't have two valid wills. The one thing I will say is that when you're creating a new will, make sure that all the requirements for a will are satisfied, mostly being that the will needs to be signed by the testator, which is the person creating the will, and it also needs to be witnessed by two independent people. And what these witnesses will do, what their job to do, is to witness the fact that the testator signed that will, that person was of sound mind and had a legal capacity to sign the will, and that there was no undue influence. So as long as those requirements are met, then your new will be valid. So really, it's difficult to have two wills. What I would recommend that you do, if you do create a new will, is that you destroy your other will. Because if someone were to find two wills and the language wasn't quite clear on which one, if it revoked prior wills, and you could have two wills, and it could create a lot of issues when you're trying to probate the estate. The other thing that could happen is that someone may find the older will first, not realizing that there is a newer will. So they may probate the older will, not knowing that there was a new will in place. So what I really recommend that you do is, if you do create a new will, destroy, shred the older will, so there's no confusion as to which will probate, because unfortunately, when the time comes to probate a will, you're no longer there to say, oh, this is the right one, the right or the wrong one. So you want to make sure that it's clear for anybody that needs to access your will, that they know which one is the right one and the most valid. So that's all I have for you today. So just to recap, as long as the will is drafted correctly, then it should revoke all prior wills. Therefore, there shouldn't be any issue regarding having two wills. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to hear more from me about estate planning, you can subscribe to my channel. If you know someone that can benefit from seeing my video, please share this with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. Again, you can go to estateplanmeeting.com, set up time to talk with me for free, either in person or on the phone. We can discuss your will, we can discuss prior wills, we can discuss creating an estate plan. Whatever questions you have, I'll be more than happy to spend some time with you and answer any questions that you have. Once again, my name is Scott Aubrey. I'm the owner of Aubrey Law, and I will talk to you soon.